Welcome on MGSS YouTube channel. I now come Mishra with you to discuss angle sum property, and also I will discuss some characteristics of a triangle. Hope you have to enjoy this session. Keep watching MGSS YouTube channel. My dear students, as you know that this is a triangle and sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. And here you can just write that A plus B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. And you also know that it can be written in another way also, because angle A means magnitude of angle A. Magnitude is considered as the value of the angle. And this is why it has been written as M angle A plus M angle B plus M angle C is equal to 180 degree. This M is known as magnitude. So M angle A can be said as magnitude of angle A. Magnitude of angle A plus magnitude of angle B plus magnitude of angle C is equal to 180 degree. By the help of this triangle, because you know that this is simple closed figure, and this is why you can utilize the method of triangulation to solve and find the angle sum property of quadrilateral and some other angles also. Regarding quadrilateral, you know very well that quadrilateral A, B, C, D, regarding angle sum property, means property refers to sum of the angles, and angles are of two types, interior angle and exterior angles. So regarding angle sum property, actually sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral, and you can just notice that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So simply you can write it as angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. In some books it has been written as 2 into 180 degree, or it can be written as 4 into 90 degree. My dear, 4 into 90 degree means 4 into 90 degree. You know very well that 90 degree is right angle. This is why it is also known as 4 right angles. 4 right angles. So sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 4 right angles, means 360 degree. It is written by this way also: magnitude of angle A plus magnitude of angle B plus magnitude of angle C plus magnitude of angle D is equal to 360 degree, or 4 right angles. Understood? So in both the ways you can just write down that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. And regarding the verification of the, because if anyone asks you that the question that how can you prove that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree, my dear, you have to find out such type of verification with the help of triangle, and this method is known as triangulation methods. It is due to that when you draw a quadrilateral, then this quadrilateral can easily be divided into triangles, and you can just see that this is a quadrilateral, and you can easily divide by drawing diagonals into triangles. Suppose that I have just drawn a diagonal BD, then actually this quadrilateral has been divided into two triangles, triangle first and triangle second, and this is a triangle ABD and second one is triangle BCD. And one things you have to just keep in mind that any sort of a polygon that is being given, the simplest form of polygon is triangle. So any sort of polygon which has been given must be divided into triangles. For example, you have to calculate angle sum property for pentagon, and you know that pentagon contains 5 line segments, and this is a type of polygon. And there is no much formula you know very well, and its verification. At first you have to divide into triangles, because the first member of polygon is triangle. So you can easily you are free to draw any sort of diagonal that you want. If you draw the diagonals, then you can just notice that it has been just classified into 3 different triangles. So by the help of triangle, you are able to find out the value of any sort of polygons. I utilize this triangulation method to calculate or to verify the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Let's check. My dear students, here you can just see that I am going to verify angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Since by the angle sum property of the quadrilateral, you know very well that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. And for its verification, I have just considered a quadrilateral ABCD, and after that I just join A to C a diagonal. Any diagonal you can just draw A to C. I have just drawn a diagonal, and that is AC. And after that, actually it's divided into 2 parts, 2 different triangles. One triangle is ABC and another triangle is ACD. 2 different triangles are, and therefore you can just see that in triangle ABC, if you mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 for our convenient. It is not compulsory, but for our convenient, then you can just see that I know that by the angle sum property of a triangle that sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. I have to utilize, and here 1 plus 2 plus 3, these 3 angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, and it is considered as 1. We know very well. Again, in triangle ACD, we know very well that angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree, and it is considered as second. It is considered as second by adding first and second, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 plus 180, my dear. And this is why you can just notice that if you have to rearrange it, angle 1 plus angle 6 and plus, you can just notice that angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4, it has been written in brackets, and after that you have to just do 5 plus 5, and after that it is equal to 360 degree. Here you can just notice that angle 1 plus angle 6. In this figure you can just see that angle 1 plus angle 6 is equal to angle A plus angle 2 is equal to angle B. So it is written as angle B, and 3 plus 4. It is given in the figure that angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to angle C, and angle 5 is equal to angle D, and this is why it is equal to 360 degree. And that is the verification of the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Hence you can just write that, hence the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. This is the verification, and some student can write for the description 1-2 things. You may write here that sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Here you may mention whatever it is not essential to do so, and here you can write in the bracket that 1 plus 6 is equal to angle A and 3 plus 4 is equal to angle C. By the figure you may write. Hope you have to understand angle sum property and their verification very well, and also you have to understand in this session by the angle sum property that any polygon can be derived their properties with the help of triangles, and for these purposes you need to draw the diagonals. Thank you very much. Keep watching MGSS YouTube channel.